at hlbowman.com.
Thanks for tuning in to 94.5 KJEM Radio, Champaign's Alt Rock. It's June 3rd, 2027, with cloudy skies, chance of rain later at a warm 72 degrees. Now, back to your favorite music, starting with My Chemical Romance on KJEM.
Now I know that I can make you stay, but where's your heart? But where's your heart? But where's your...
We interrupt our programming to bring you an emergency alert message. Please stand by.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign County until 9:45 a.m. At 9 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Champaign, or 12 miles east of Clinton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Champaign and Urbana. Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Boneville, Monticello, Philo, Savoy, Urbana, Mahomet, Willard Airport, Champaign, Galesville, Lodge, Seymour, Whiteheath, Tolono, and Lake of the Woods. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.